All right, we're looking at this morning Ader, the AMB up, AMBA, SEE, DGAL, AFRM, LPTX, RQR, LU, thank you, CYRN, FAMI. FAMI has always been a piece of crap. Every time we trade that, ADAP, HAPA, and of course Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. All right, we got those labeled up. I'm going to refresh the market chameleon. Now we got 28 minutes to the open. Take all the same usual suspects. All right. Green or red day? Well, really hard to tell. Probably red, but it's going to be up from Friday. Let's see here. Yeah, I wanted to label that up. RGNX. Probably the only really most promising one is Ader, ATER. Hey, there you are, Mac. Welcome back. Well, all last week was red, pretty much. So that's what you missed. And we're up 1, 2, 3, almost 3 points this morning on SPY in the pre-market. Yeah, Brandon, you can, but I find it to be ambiguous. I wish it was more clear. Pretty sure that this trading view over here used to be all dark and black. I restarted my computer and now it's mostly white. Is there a spot you can switch it to like dark mode or something? Yeah, where? I don't see it anywhere. Is there something I can see what prices large amount of orders at sitting? What? Is there something I can see what prices large amount of orders at sitting? I can, yeah. I can teach you. Just send me a private message, Spy. Yeah, we already just looked at Spy. It's up about 3 points. 3 lines in the top. Oh, it's in there? Why would they put it? Oh, God. All right. Yes, I can confirm that I want to change. There we go. Excellent. Thank you. Get the desktop app. That's cool. That'll be good. Some trading books. Okay, you need to send me a private message and I'll get you my trading book recommendations. I have a list. A private message. In TikTok? Oh, either place. Yeah, in TikTok. Yeah. hmm I got money invested in Prudential Financial, and they have me in blue chips. I mean, that's fine for a long-term investment account. Remember when everyone was saying good morning and we're all like, what's going on with GM? That was funny. We don't say GM anymore. We confused each other. All right, we've got 22 minutes to the open. What should we expect from Apple tomorrow? It's really hard to say. Let's take a look at the chart. Well, with this huge drop the other day, I think you've got some room to shoot for upside. EFTR is moving. Let's put it down here. Yep, EFTR taking off again today. No, that's a daily. So every candle is a daily. Is a day. Not a daily anything. It's a day. EFTR. Yeah, when to label that. Here we go. So EFTR is just running. It's a lockout rally at the moment. Could be, if you were to get in now, maybe $3 of risk, 35, with a stop at. Really, you need it at like 30, $5 of risk, which means you expect it to go $10 to 45. It's actually pretty plausible. Looking at the daily chart, I'm talking about EFTR. ADR right now is just pulling back and pulling back and pulling back. So we'll see if it can have the energy to break 15.01. Jackson, the odds of it making it back, once the market opens, you should probably partially sell on any blips. You should probably partial sell on any blips, and then if it breaks any lower, get all out. Something like that. What position are we looking at on AFRM? AFRM. Yeah, we're looking for that to break like 125. See what happens. Boy, man. I guess you left your position There, was that by accident? Shoot. You'll probably learn your lesson there. It's very, very important part of day trading to not get lazy at the end of the day to like just double checking on everything. It sucks because on some days you might be just like out back in the hammock and you don't think about it, but man, you got to. Yeah, shit. Like if you choose to day trade that day, you kind of also got to choose to make sure it's like bringing your kid to school in the morning. It's like you got to make sure also to pick them up at the end of the day. I think that's a really good analogy. You never ever ever forget your stock position you were day trading and leave it open. Not forget your kids. That's right. I know. Yeah. Nope. Hater, we'll see what happens. You guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio. Come join our trading group. What about SPY? It's up a couple points. It's setting up to drop all day, really. I mean, see, yeah, if it runs all day, amazing. Space is in the dumps right now. J, the monthly chart and the weekly chart looking really good. Okay, if you're looking at monthly charts and weekly charts, you're thinking about doing like a very long-term investment, 1 to 2 years minimum. So, yeah, CCJ looks good, but looks like this initial run has been missed at this point. Blue for a swing? Oh gosh, I don't know. Let me see. No, blue is has freaked out this morning. It's like opening way up, Matt. So we don't day trade. We don't swing trade stocks that are unhinged or have gone crazy. We only day trade them. So maybe in a couple days when it's settled down, then you think about it. And that you will just need to trust me on from experience. Not a good idea. Be big. Yeah, Be Big doesn't look like it's doing anything today. It's going to be down. Sam Adams Brewing right now. Oh, okay. Let's see. Just extraordinary. I mean, it went from being $428 a share all the way to $1.4 thousand per share, and now just a couple months later, it's back to basically like $500 a share. I don't think that. I think that that's going to be done for a few years there. I believe we're still in the Asana swing. Some of you in the Asana swing, still in it. 14 minutes to the open. Yeah, I like CLF as a chart. Um, Struggling more and more the higher it gets. So you're taking a bit of a risk. Uh, hopefully you're getting, you need a commensurate reward amount of risk you're taking. AMC could move, yeah. But what it's doing is it's moving right into bag holder territory. There's a whole bunch of trapped bag holders up in the upper 50s. And as price gets up there, everyone's going to be chipping away and providing resistance, selling, because they've been waiting for that to come back for months. The CFX swing, I'm not sure. What's the stop on it? John, go check the trade. Of course, Emma, because everyone learns their lesson. So there's a proportion of people who learn their lesson on AMC. They listened to everybody and they lost money, and they went from $10,000 to $4,000 or $5,000. Now when it's coming back up to $10,000, yeah, some of them of course are still gonna hold, but some of them have converted into, oh, fuck this, and then they're gonna get out. And that's just the way it is. Again, stock trading is stochastic. It's statistical. It's on a curve. There's no just like yes, no. So there's always buyers and there's always sellers, and then to varying degrees. But there's going to be some resistance there because of those bag holders who are ready to get out. On ADR, 1501. We're looking for ADR to break 1501. TGS? No, that doesn't look too good. It's been down, 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 and now just at the bottom. And doesn't even provide a dividend for all of your pain, all of your heartache. Jonathan, because the price that's above the current price includes so many days of trading previously. In order for price to move up, it has to move through this squish zone, whatever you want to call that, resistance. But this zone where everybody was buying and buying and buying, or buying and selling back and forth, just very active zone between about 63 and 51. So that's basically where it is right now. So like when we got into AMC back here at 37 and it went to 70, that's not going to happen. So that's why I'm saying it's a lower quality trade to try to get something out of AMC right now. We want those fresh virgin blue sky breakouts. Thank you for the like. If anybody wants to click like on TikTok, that's great. It helps boost the stream. Thank you for boosting the stream. Is Apple toast? Would you short it? No, Apple's definitely not toast. They've got a lot of new prospects on the horizon. I would make pie out of it. For the opening of the well, right now almost everything is crapping out. Maybe EFTR has the most bullish shape. I know that Ader has the most attention, has the most millions of shares, but that's never meant really anything as far as direction goes. Direction, it could go straight down to the ground. Thoughts on SLQ? Is that a T or an R? I think it should be a T. Okay. SLQT. It's probably done for a while. What was the question? Zoom breaking out? Let's see. No, not really. It isn't. If it does, though, it does have a nice ways to go to retrace to 332 from here. If that's what it wants to do, is retrace the gap. That could be a valuable trade. Facebook probably will break out today if the market goes green. And if it does, we could probably take that trade, swing trade. Snap's selling interest has been much higher than buying interest for several weeks now. Oh, it still needs to dry up a little bit more on Snap. Top three, probably Ader, EFTR, and LPTX, perhaps. AFRM, it's up here, but it's faded, so may not be a good one now. Rocket Mortgage just continues to slam lows. I don't really see that improving. Maybe not this year. Uh, 6 minutes to the open. Tesla, let's see. Tesla still needs to break 777 in order to at least be sideways / bullish. Well, on Ader, we're probably just going to day trade it. So, yeah, we would buy Ader, even though the pre-market is going crazy, but mostly for a day trade. We'll grab it at 15, and maybe we'll be out at 16 or 17. Oh God, yeah, we're way out of FAMI. Yeah, no, the FAMI was a day trade. FAMI was not a swing trade. We always close our day trades out by the end of the day. Never ever hold a day trade overnight. That would be called a swing trade. We're day trading something, it's not a swing trade. It doesn't really convert to a swing trade. Otherwise, it's at 5 times the risk. Ask Jackson. He'll tell you. It's got bit big. Real big. Think about it, because normally you would have stopped out way up there. Jesus, man. Yeah, Jackson maybe got hit hard. Huh. Disney to debut the rest of their 2021 films only in theaters. Okay. Yeah, shit, Jackson. AMC stole your life savings. Yeah. Well, just, remember that that was your fault. So, you got to get better about understanding the stock market and not be a stupid fucking idiot like everyone else, right? So, send me a private message and I'll help you, get on the right track. Yeah, step one is humility for sure. Neo, Neo's not doing very good relatively at all. I'd give Neo a very low relative strength rating. That's cool. But weren't you the same guy that said you lost the money? Said that. Oh no, it was another guy. Okay. Well, good for you, man. No, no, no. Good for you. Yeah. Neo no bueno. That is correct. Hey, you guys over on TikTok, can you just give me a couple likes right now to boost the stream? It helps boost the stream. We're coming up on 2 minutes until the market open. And then, thank you. That's awesome. And then, my trading, what you do is just click the link in my bio, and then once you get in there, you start a free 7-day trial, you know, and then you can be trading with us this morning. Or if you just want to join for free, just click the link in my bio. It's free. Yeah, it takes a while to learn that, if you're a trader, what you're doing is capturing what the market will give you. You're not doing anything. You're not like, wow, look at AFM. It's $10 just before the open here. So don't be an AFRM. But anyways, you get what you get when it comes to trading. And you better have a plan that makes that work. It's all probabilities and odds and statistics. Jamal asks, is this stream laggy for anybody else? Any long-term buys I recommend? I mean, Microsoft is really good. Medium term, maybe Agilent. All right, 1 minute to the market open. Very laggy. Oh, all right. 1 minute. Oh, I see why. It's uploading files from my computer at the same time. Let me try pausing that. Pause that. Okay. Tell me if it gets better in the next 30 seconds. I think it might. Like if it's noticeably better. Microsoft does give dividends, but kind of small. Send me a private message and I'll help you with some better dividend picks. Some that give off huge dividends. Okay, so that's what it was. Yeah. All right, you guys on TikTok, we're going to shut the stream off in about 30 seconds. The market opens in 20 seconds. Make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading group. All right, here we go. We're looking for Ader to break 15.01 for $1.50 of risk. All right, we got something going, ping. If you guys want Apple, you're going to need it. Get in just about right now for about $1 of risk. $1 of risk on Apple. Right, not much else is breaking out at the moment. Apple, really ideally you'd want it to break 150, 88 or like 160.